Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have kind of just a summary of the best deals that are going on right now because there's a lot of deals constantly going on at Harbor Freight. Some are decent and some are not good, and then some are really good, better than the others. So that's what I want to focus in on today. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And just before we jump into that, they have it up. They have it up if you haven't already seen it. So the deals, the 10 days of deals is what they've done in the past is now the 7 days of deals. Is now the 7 days of deals, and it's been confirmed this will be the first deal of the day 1. So confirmed $100 for the Daytona. Mentioned in the comments that it has been lower, and that makes sense. Was it last year? They had the 40% off all Daytona jacks, and that's just tough to beat. 40%? Yikes. That's amazing. But not that. And this one has gone up in price to $200, but it is $100 off now at 50% off. So it's been slightly better once before, but not via Super Coupon ITC or deals of the day, I would say. So great price on the Daytona. And then the Icon 1000 lumen dual-sided rechargeable. I've seen a couple comments saying that this is really good light. Let us know so we're all aware. $40, normally $60, so 33% off. So that is confirmed deal of the day 1, and hopefully tomorrow I can get you some more information. But we'll jump right in. Another deal going on still today and tomorrow is for ITC 20% off all Predator gas generators, or for non-ITC members 15%. But in this case, since a lot of the generators tend to be very, very pricey, if you join ITC, you end up saving more money in most cases for most generators. I think if it was $6.99 and above, you end up either getting the membership for free or you end up saving extra additional money. So depending on which one you're getting, if you're getting one of the bigger ones, really $6.99 or above, there's quite a few options. You essentially get the ITC membership for free or you're saving extra money still. So that's still going on. And then this is also still going on through the 27th. It's the 20% off of all Maddox products. Yes, we have seen 40% off in the previous deals of days on these Maddox, but 20% isn't too bad, especially if you're looking at an extensive list of some of the Maddox products that they make for working on your cars. And then we'll jump in. We just had these dollar days drop recently, but here we have the $3 Hardy nitrile dip gardening gloves 3 pair, 24% off, save about $1. But still a really good deal and a must-have if you're working in the garden. Avoid nicks and pricks. Always avoid nicks and pricks. Next, the US General 30-inch 5-drawers mechanics cart for $219. Again, this isn't the best price that it's been. Recently, it's been down to $199. In the past, the lowest that it's been is $189, I believe, in previous sales. But $219 is not bad. It's about $20 more than what it's been down to recently, but $60 off is still over 20% off. 20% off would be $54, $55 off, but we're at $60. It's about 21, 22% off, and that's still a pretty good deal. So if you're not going to mince over a few extra dollars spent, and this is what you've been looking for, not a bad time to get it. But then again, you could be patient. I see it going down for sure, probably Black Friday because it's a popular cart, at least back down to the $199. So if you can be patient, hang tight, but this is not a bad deal. And then, of course, I always recommend these, the US General 25-pound magnetic hooks, $5, 37% off, available in different colors. This is more really because it matches your toolboxes if you'd like, or you go with a little bit of a color variety. I did recently purchase the non-US General 65-pound magnetic hooks. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to use them for, but they're on the fridge right now. Anyways, magnetic hooks, 25 pounds, but solid deal on those. Then we have the Quinn Premium Screwdriver Set, 15-piece for $19.99, 28% off. 15-piece set. It's Quinn. It's lifetime warranty. Just over $1 per screwdriver set. And so if you don't have a screwdriver set, this is one of their solid ones. Although I would also recommend the diamond tip screwdrivers. I've heard really good feedback on these, but then again, this is only a 6-piece set, and this is not on sale right now. And these have been on sale. So similar price, especially with the 28% off, just depending on what you want to go with. But great deal for this premium screwdriver set, and you get a lot more screwdrivers, so give you some more flexibility. Next, the Doyle Heavy Duty Ratcheting Crimper for $13.99. Doyle Lifetime Guarantee Heavy Duty Ratcheting Crimper for $14, 30% off. Normally $20, so save about $6. So really good discount on this crimper. color coded there for the work that you're doing. Then this, a must have if you're doing your own, I don't know, you want to say car detailing. If you're just washing your own car, you want to avoid scuffing up the paint. There's the Grant's Auto Detailing Dirt Guard, 3.5 to 7 gallon buckets. If you've got in your Harbor Freight 5 gallon bucket, this is perfect for that. $4.99, normally $8. One of those things that if you're making a trip in and if you're washing your own car at 37% off, good thing to pick up because it's just gonna make your paint last that much longer. Next, a few people have told me they've picked this up. Really good deal. The Badland 48-inch Farm Jack at $80, $20 off, 20% off. Good discount on this. Good discount. Next, the Quinn. So these other ones were super coupons, so you need the coupon to take advantage. These next few will be ITC, so you do have to be ITC. Here's the Quinn Master Bit Socket Set, 87 piece, normally $100, $20 off, down to $80, 20% off. Solid set, and a solid discount. Next, Icon Alert. Icon Precision Snap Ring Pliers, 8-piece set for $60. Normally $75, so you're saving $15. It's 20% off. And Icon, general rule of thumb, if you're getting 20% plus off, they normally don't go way too higher unless it's one of those leprechaun unicorn sales. But 20% off of this 8-piece ring plier set is a really solid deal. Any deals that come out for Icon hand tools will tend to be about around this range, 20-25%. Again, unless it's one of those unicorn sales, but solid deal here. And then we have, these are still going on. This is going on through the 31st. We have the Pittsburgh Flex Head Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set, 5-piece, $19.99, normally $30, 33% off. Again, don't sleep on Pittsburgh. They don't have their own alert. There's no Pittsburgh alert yet, and they probably won't get one. Maybe in the future, but lifetime warranty. It's Flex Head. They're ratcheting, 5-piece, available in SAE or metric. Can't go wrong if you just need something to fill the drawer for something that's going to get probably 80 to 90% of the work that you're doing done. And if for whatever reason one of these tends to break, they have a lifetime warranty for $20. That's tough to argue against, but somebody argue with me. And then next, we have the Hercules Universal Portable Bandsaw Benchtop Stand for $89.99. Universal Portable Bandsaw benchtop, blah, 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 $90. Normally $120. It's $30 off. So well over 20% off. Let's just verify the percentage off because this is pretty decent. So we're saving $30 off of $120, 25% off on the benchtop stand. That is an excellent discount. Excellent discount. $90, cannot go wrong with that, and it's Hercules. Next, the Quinn 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket set, 48-piece, $80. Normally $100. This is clean, $20 off, 20% off. So again, really decent deal. You might in the future get a bigger discount, but this is going to be right around the ballpark of closer to the lowest price that it'll be at. So $80, $20 off, 20% off. Great deal on the Quinn Master Impact socket set. And then last but not least, we have the Titanium MIG 140 Professional Welder with 120V input for $380. Normally $500, $120 off. I believe they did have titanium things for close to 30 to 40% off, I think when we were reviewing this. But this is not a bad deal at all. 24% off, pretty decent discount, and especially if you're in the market, not a bad time to get it. But again, I do expect there was one last year, titanium sale. I wouldn't doubt that there would be another one, maybe higher discount, but it's always tough to make those. Prediction 24% off, not too bad. And I will leave it at that. Some really good deals still going on, ending either the 27th or the 31st. So you still have some time. If you're looking for a generator, that's the only one that ends this weekend. And then just a reminder, starting Monday, deals of the day coming back for a week straight. We know what's coming day one. Hopefully they release day two. And I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Again, if you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.